Okay, to demonstrate what PVC and CPVC pipe pushout is, we've got a small example here. Basically, in a nutshell, the pipe will always be a parallel fit. After you get a decent cut on it, it should remain parallel for all practical purposes right here. The fitting will always be, if it's according to standard manufacturing procedures, will always have a slight taper fit to it. It will never just go all the way on. The end of our fitting will be at this seam right here in the middle. If we was to just snap that in, if they were both fairly loose parallel fits, we would be right between the P and the R. And you can see we're not going to get there. So the end result is we're going to get a good tight snug fit on this after we get our glue in place. So you're going to be able to see, if I can butt this up with glue in place, you'll be able to see any pushback. Because as soon as I butt it up, I'm going to release it. So you should be able to witness the pipe push out due to the taper fit of the fitting, which is standard across all manufacturers. And basically what comes down to the hydraulic action through the viscosity of any good medium PVC cement. And this holds true for CPVC too. And as Odie wants you to do, they want you to go back to the pipe one last time, or actually a second time, and we'll see if we can see the push out. So there it is. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3. But you've seen how fast it pushed out. It would have come nearly all the way out if you put it together and just don't hold nothing. That's actually not too bad of a fit, but Odie does recommend 30. But by holding 30, you're practically giving yourself a 100% guarantee you're not going to have any problems. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comment section. Have a good one.